Bitcoin trades above $22,000, Ether sinks below $1,600. Coinbase, Celsius and Paxos disclose funds in Signature Bank. HSBC subsidiary to acquire Silicon Valley Bank's UK unit for £1. Euler DeFi protocol exploited for nearly $185 million. Binance will convert $1 billion of BUSD to Bitcoin, Ether, BNB and other tokens. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets rebounded in the beginning of the week after the Washington Post reported US federal authorities are considering safeguarding uninsured deposits at Silicon Valley Bank, which collapsed last week following a $42 billion bank run. Bitcoin traded above the $22,000 level. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The buying optimism across the board pushed IC15 index of cryptocurrencies up 8% at 31,440 points. So there are a lot of interesting developments. We will explain it how. The flow of interesting news continued to trickle in. All Silicon Valley Bank depositors will have access to their money starting Monday onwards, according to a joint statement from the Treasury Department, Federal Reserve and the FDIC. So, in recent news, crypto-friendly Signature Bank was also shut down by New York regulators in conjunction with the United States Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation to protect the US economy, as they claim the bank posed a systematic risk. Coinbase further revealed that it has around $240 million in corporate funds which is stuck in the Signature Bank. Meanwhile, investors will keep an eye on the various economic data to be released further in the week. Tuesday's Consumer Price Index report is the last major inflation data released ahead of the Fed's next meet ending March 22. February's retail sales and the Producers' Price Index will also be in focus. The other news that helped prop investor sentiment was a statement from the Circle Internal Financial. It assures of covering all the shortfalls in the assets backing in the stablecoin, which is USDC, in the event it does not receive $3.3 billion cash, which is reserved held at the Silicon Valley Bank. The global cryptocurrency market, if we talk about, was trading higher at around $1.01 trillion, rising 7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume increased by 39%, which was around $79.85 billion. Interestingly, CZ, which is Zhengpeng Zhao, disclosed that the crypto exchange Binance would be converting the balance of its $1 billion industry recovery initiative fund from Binance USD to Bitcoin, BNB and Ethereum. However, the percentage is not known. How much percentage will go on BNB, how much will go on Bitcoin, that is a point which is everyone has to keep an eye on. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell as traders accessed a plan to backstop all the depositors in failed Silicon Valley Bank and make additional funding available for the other banks as well. Dow Jones futures were down 139 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 fell, which is actually erased gains and were last down 0.2%. Nasdaq 100 futures advanced 0.4%. Bitcoin was trading at $22,225, up 8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 8%, trading at $1,590. So, if you talk about other altcoins, BNB on my left was trading higher by 7.2% at $297. Next on the list is Solana Sol, was up by 6.7%, was trading at $19.4. Avalanche AVAX was trading higher at $15.8 by 8.4%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3.5% at $1.1. Next was Cardano's ADA token was up by 8.5% to trade at $0.33. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading higher by 4.2% at $0.069. Shiba Inu was trading up by 3.3%. Next was Ripple's XRP token, which added 0.3 which was actually trading at $0.36, up 0.1%. Last on the list was Polkadot, was higher by 5.3% to trade at $5.8.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Crypto exchange Coinbase, crypto lender Celsius, and stablecoin issuer Paxos are among the crypto firms with funds reportedly tied up with the now shuttered Signature Bank. The crypto-friendly Signature Bank was shut down by New York regulators on March 12th in conjunction with the United States Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation to protect the US economy, as they claimed the bank posed a systematic risk. Crypto exchange Coinbase tweeted on March 12th that it had around $240 million in corporate funds at Signature that is expected would be fully recovered. Stablecoin issuer and crypto firm Paxos also came forward, tweeting it had $250 million held at the bank, but added it held private insurance that covers the amount not covered by the standard FDIC insurance of $250,000 per depositor. The Celsius Official Committee of Unsecured Creditors, a body that represents the interests of account holders at the bankrupt crypto lender Celsius, added that Signature Bank held some of its funds but did not disclose the amount. HSBC Holdings plc said that its UK ring-fenced subsidiary, HSBC UK Bank, is acquiring Silicon Valley Bank UK for £1 as per a filing. As of March 10, SVB UK had loans of around $6.6 billion and deposits of around $8.1 billion, the filing read. The sale announced Monday was facilitated by the UK government under resolution powers designed to wind up failing lenders without destabilizing the financial system. Late Friday night, the Bank of England tweeted that SVB UK would be put into insolvency, but that the lender had a limited presence in the country. US regulators on Sunday said that SVB depositors would be made whole and be able to access funds as of Monday, as they seek to stop the biggest bank failure since 2008 from undermining confidence in the financial system. Decentralized finance lending protocol Euler has suffered an exploit resulting in almost $185 million being lost. The losses occurred over 4 transactions in DAI, wrapped Bitcoin, staked Ether, and USDC, according to smart contract auditor BlockSec. We are aware and our team is currently working with security professionals and law enforcement, Euler said in a tweet. We will release further information as soon as we have it. DeFi exploits whereby hackers make use of the open source nature of a platform's code to gain unauthorized access to its assets are one of the foremost problems plaguing the industry. According to blockchain analytics firm Chain Analysis, over $3 billion was stolen from DeFi protocols via hacks or exploits in 2022. Crypto exchange Binance said it will convert $1 billion worth of Binance USD to Bitcoin, Ether, BNB coin, and other tokens to support the market. The transaction from Binance's industry fund to BUSD took 5 seconds and cost merely $1.29, Binance CEO CZ said in a tweet on Monday. The move likely contributed to buying pressure, and Bitcoin jumped over $22,500 in Asian hours on Monday, while Ether regained the $1,600 market. BNB rose over 10% to trade over $300, setting 2-week highs as per CoinGecko data. The move came as the crypto market suffered another blow in early Asian hours as US regulators shut down the crypto-friendly Signature Bank, adding further stress to the market. And now let's get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day. Within the last 24 hours, the Shiba Inu community has made an impressive move by collectively sending an astounding 602.60 million SHIB to a dead wallet via 3 individual transactions. SHIB Superstore, a well-known SHIB burn project, completed a significant burn transaction about 12 hours ago, permanently removing 10.58 million SHIB from circulation. Shiba Inu's burn rate increased by 2,452.51% compared to the previous day, when only 23.51 million SHIB were permanently removed from circulation. through 3 separate transactions. Aside from the significant burning activity, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is also progressing. As reported earlier by the Crypto Basic, the Shiba Inu team has finally launched the much-awaited Shibarium public beta testnet, creating a lot of excitement within the Shiba Inu community. Shiba Inu was trading 5.38% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Lending protocol in response to recent price volatility on stablecoins following the USD coin depegged on March 11, Aave has frozen stablecoin trading and set the loan-to-value ratio to 0. The trading halt follows an analysis from decentralized finance risk management company Gauntlet Network, which recommended that all V2 and V3 markets be temporarily paused according to Aave's governance forum. According to digital assets data provider Kaiko, centralized crypto exchanges have seen a surge in trading volume in the hours following the Silicon Valley Bank collapse on March 10. Aave was trading $16.02, up 10.56% in the last 24 hours with market capitalization of $5 billion. Following the storm in the stablecoin sector in recent days, JED, the stablecoin developed by COTI on Cardano, has gained a premium over the rest of the market and at one point was even trading at $1.08 against the dollar. As a prime example, JED traded at a premium and continues to do so even to USD from Tether, USDT, the largest stablecoin with a capitalization of $73.5 billion. The difference between USDT and JED is now 1% in favor of the latter. At the same time, the ADA-backed stablecoin continues to grow in trading volume. At the moment, according to CoinMarketCap, the value stands at $545,252, up 268% from the last 2 days. JED, developed by COTI, is an algorithmic stablecoin with redundant collateral. JED was trading at $1.02, up 0.73% in the last 24 hours. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.